Jim, a little bit on how we do this connector for the rear of the push rod. Basically, we are cutting the termination, exposing the wires, taking this connector that is either purchased or molded, and we're exposing the wires. We tape them, we basically solder them and then tape them. Then we take a two-part mold right here. You can see these two guys. I think we made these, I'm not even sure. We close it around, and then we two-part epoxy this into the mold here in this gun. This gun is a two-part epoxy gun, air operated, quite simple, quite easy, quick. So this mold and this gun, it has a little port on the side of it. The port looks something like that. The gun goes into the back end of this. Oops, dropped it. As you can see, the gun, this is the gun. Then we stick them in. We can let them cure on their own if we're willing to wait several hours. If we want to speed it up, we just stick it in the little oven. And then we take our termination and it's done. So this whole area right here is the rear termination station of our plant. This is our production area. It's one of our plants. Take you back in through here, and that's our final assembly area where we're doing all the electronics.
Good, how are you?
The office area and final assembly area. Here's where we're doing our command modules. Various types of command modules, different assemblies, and then a test area, so that's a service area. Our assembly cart, assembly area, and then that's our test bench, one of them, and then there's long-term storage over there. So you can see from this video, everything is compact, all in one spot. Everyone can find what they need all in this room pretty much to assemble, test, build, invent, whatever you want. Now we're back in our office area.